What's up, YouTube? Back again for another video, and I just wanted to give you guys a quick review as far as how my account is moving. Um, it is December 9th, Thursday. It is 11:13 a.m. and I already got 8 sales already. Um, I haven't had a day under 15 sales. So that is really good. I haven't had days under like $70, $60, $70. So that's great. And I've only had 46% of my live designs full. So I have over 1,000 designs that I can put on merch. So I feel like I'm in a good place. I'm definitely just gonna sit down and figure out what niches I want to keep pressing in, or if I just want to keep doubling down in the ones that I'm in. Um, yeah, I'm just showing you guys this really fast. Okay, so this month I already sold 165 items, $675, which is great. I already beat my October, and it's only 8 days in, and it's only 8 days in, and I'm actually creeping on this 948 from last month. So that's great. What a blessing. And yeah, I just want to stretch to you guys, man. Just fill up your uploads every day, man. Take advantage of all of this traffic that we're getting right now, because January is going to be a very slow month unless you got a niche that's, specific to January. So, I just wanted to show you guys this, keep you guys motivated. If you're having bad sales or just anyone, just know that everything is possible. We just gotta stay at it and show up every day and do our jobs. Okay, so um, that's what I've been doing, just making sure I'm staying active on my account, making sure if I don't have new designs, make sure I'm putting them on new products. Um, and I'm actually selling more hoodies and sweatshirts than I am um, anything else, which is kind of crazy. Just like today, I got, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I got like 2 long sleeves sold today, a sweatshirt and 2 pullover hoodies. So I think I'm gonna go in and press up my prices for these other pullovers, because I want to make sure I get 717 every time they sell. I'm pretty much first page in this Christmas niche, so I gotta take advantage while I can, because when it gets around December 20th, 21st, everything's gonna stop selling because it's not gonna make it to the customer before Christmas. Just want to keep that in mind. So as it gets closer to that days, try to maximize on your evergreens so they can continue to sell after Christmas. Um, I guess I can show you guys today. So I gotta resubmit my thing to get upgrade to Pro. So let me forgot to do that. But yeah, so I have a lot of different designs um, selling for this Christmas. I literally attacked the same niche that I did last year and just doubled down, just pressing up more designs with those same keywords, and definitely paid off. Um, yeah, so today I'm gonna go through and probably press up my prices on some of the things that just sold for the first time today. So that's just a little bit about what I'm gonna be doing, and just letting you guys know where I'm at in progress. It's really important to me that I share my journey with you guys, and show you guys that none of this shit is easy, but if we keep showing up every day and we keep giving it our effort, it's gonna pay off. I'm pretty sure this month is gonna be my best month on merch, which November was. This 950 is the most I ever made in a month, and I'm pretty sure I might I might probably end this month with probably a good 14, 1300 from how it's looking, but we'll see. You never really know. So, yeah, man, make sure you guys hit that sub button. Make sure you guys hit a like. It's good for the algorithm to bring more traffic to my channel. And hey, till next time.